Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I have a few wonderful Alice in Wonderland items to share with you. And no, I'm not drinking a cup of tea, because there's nothing in here. I just want to share this cup with you. This mug, actually. It is an Alice in Wonderland mug. Surprise! It has this beautiful Alice in Wonderland illustration on it. It's so colorful. And these are illustrations by Mary Blair. She was a concept artist for Disney, and she was had a great influence on how Alice in Wonderland turned out. So I really love these illustrations. At first I didn't. That's really weird, but they grew on me, and now I just absolutely love them. And this one especially. This one is so colorful, and Alice is so cute over here. And this is of course the flower garden, as you can see, lots of flowers. And I love the fact that they also did it on the handle a little bit. And it says over here in gold, Curiouser and Curiouser. I really think it is a beautiful thing. Although at first I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy it, because it is a bit of a simple, sturdy mug. I don't know really how to say it, but I thought the design was a bit boring. The way it was, I don't know how to say this. I just thought it was a bit of a boring mug. They usually have things on it. It's just a standard mug with a beautiful picture on it. But so I didn't buy it. And the next time I went on Shop Disney, I saw it again, and I thought, no. But I do love the picture, and I just thought, at a certain moment, I thought it is so different from all the other ones that I have, because they all have something weird and funny. It's the form of this, the form, is that how you say that? Oh, no, that's probably Dutch. The way this looks, it's just an ordinary mug, but it has a cute picture. That's what I wanted to say. Finally I did buy it, because I just think it's cute, and it was on sale. So yeah, what do? You buy it. And now that I got it, it's really way better when you see it, when you have it in your hands, than when you see it on the picture. So actually, I kind of really like it now. And it's gonna go with the other ones, and it's gonna look awesome. I really love it. So that's one of them, and I can put some tea in here now if I want to, but I don't want to. I want to put it in my collection. You know what? I would like to know, if you are a collector of, it doesn't matter what, but I do have a glass or a mug or a teacup or whatever. Do you use it? And if you use it, do you have two of them? You know, one for your collection and one to use? Or do you just use it and, well, if it breaks, it breaks? I would love to know, because sometimes I really want to use something and then I buy two, because I want to have one in my collection and the other one I'm going to use. I don't know, might be weird, but I would love to know, if you're a collector, what do you do? Do you have two, or do you just say, well, I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna enjoy it, and if it breaks, well, it breaks. Anyway, I have two, but not of this one. This one is just for my collection to look at. So I'm gonna put it to the side, because I have something that's really huge and big. I hope I can show you. I absolutely love it. It's Tweedledee. And how do I know? Because it says so over here. It's so big I can't even show you. It's a pillow. It's a wonderful pillow, a throw pillow. I think I love that word. Throw pillow. You can throw it on the couch or whatever. It's Tweedledee. Isn't it awesome? I absolutely love the way it looks. It's just so beautiful. And it is embroidered over here, and this as well. You can feel this. This is printed on, and then over here you can see that it's embroidered on, if that's the correct term. And I just think it's so funny. Look at him. Now, it does have this on here. I mean, come on. It used to be just this little thing, and now it's just all this. And again, you know what I would love to know. Do you just... I know a good friend of mine just cuts this off. I asked him a few years back, what do you do? And he said, no, I just cut it off. So I sometimes do that. Thank you, Yuri, for reminding me of that, or giving me that tip. Just do it. Just throw away boxes and just take this off, because it's your collection. But yeah, somehow I just can't. But with this one, it's okay. I can just put it over here like this, and you won't see it. Because I've first wanted to use it, put this on my couch in the living room, so use it, but it's gonna be dirty very soon. So I thought, no, I think it's too cute. I want this in my collection room. But I am thinking of buying another one to use. And then, of course, this is gonna go, because this is insane, right? And this is gonna go anyway, so I can take this off. This is the price tag without a price on it. Wait a minute. Can I get this off? Here it goes. So, like I said, I might buy another one to use, and then all of this is gonna go. But also, this is Tweedledee, and I really want the Tweedledum as well. So I wish I had bought that one as well, because it is just so cute, and they belong together, right? They do. So, yeah, I didn't buy that one. Haha, or did I? You know what's happening. Yes, of course, when you turn it around, ta-da, it's Tweedledum. Isn't that awesome? Awesome. Tweedle, awesome. Okay, I can't talk today. And I love Tweedledum so much. Look at that face. It's so gorgeous. And, well, it's almost the same, except that the face is a bit different. This one smiles a bit more. Wait, they're almost the same. This one looks a bit, because of the eyes, a bit. And this one is just very happy. It's Tweedledum. And Tweedledee and Tweedledum. So I have them both. But the weird part is you can't have them together, because you either have Tweedledum on your couch or wherever you're going to keep it, or you have Tweedledee. That's actually kind of sad. You actually do need two. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to put this one in my collection. So I am going to put this. I have a bench where I can sit. So there are way too many pillows already, but I think I can squeeze this one in. And every now and then so now I'm gonna start with Tweedledee, and in a few weeks I might think, oh, poor Tweedledum, I want to see Tweedledum for a while. And I just turn it around, and then I have Tweedledum. Isn't it awesome? I'm so happy with stuff like this. So every now and then I check Shop Disney Europe to see if they have new Alice in Wonderland items, because they don't have that much. Shop Disney UK, loads of Alice in Wonderland. ShopDisney.com, loads of Alice in Wonderland. Shop Disney Europe, 3 items. But every now and then you open the site and then, oh, you see this. Wait, they have Tweedledee, in this case Tweedledum pillow. What? So, yeah, and then you have to have it, of course. They do have pins more often, so that's nice. But then you have to spend a lot of shipping costs on just one pin. And if you wait, it's sold out, so really fun. Anyway, but I have this one and I'm very happy with it. But wait, there was something else that I saw and I thought, oh my goodness, I really want this. So I'm going to show you now. Say goodbye to Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Yeah, the next thing I saw was this one. So I saw the pillow and next to it was a picture of this one, and it is awesome. I just thought I really need this. I really love the packaging. So I am going to throw this packaging out. I can do that. Ever since Yuri told me that he does it, I thought I can do that too, because this is actually a bit of boring packaging. But I love the sides. I love the White Rabbit over here and Alice over here. So I think I might use this for an art journal. So maybe you're going to see an art journal, maybe a harmonica book. That's a nice idea. I might do that. If you want to see that, let me know. Make a harmonica book. So one side, and then the zigzag in the middle. Anyway, inside is this wonderful tea mug. Tea cup, actually. Wait, you open it like this. Wait a minute, I can do this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now I have opened it like this, but no further. So I'm going to open it with you, because I didn't really know if I wanted to send it back, because it has a little flaw over here and it has a little dent over here. And normally I send this back, but you know, then this has to be sent back with airplane or whatever, and then they have to send me a new one. And what do they do with the old one? And I thought, you know what, it's so tiny, and if it's in my collection room, you won't even see it. I will know it's there, but I'm trying to let go of little flaws like this. I don't want to send it back for that. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna unpack it now, and then I can't send it back. Oh, that's a weird packaging. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen this. This is awesome. This is the saucer, and it is a rose. That's what I mean. This has a weird shape. So this is a very boring shape. But look at this. This is, yes. So this is a white rose that's been painted red a little bit, and it's the saucer. I love it. That's gorgeous. Okay. Difficult. Here we go. Don't break it. Oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna take, I love this as well. I'm gonna take this one off also. Now this I'm gonna recycle because I don't think I can use this. So this is gonna go in the paper bin. Oh, I love this. This is a tea diffuser. And it is the 3-spouted teapot. This is awesome. So you can put tea in here, which I don't because I like my tea lukewarm and actually water with a little bit of color. When I have a little tea bag, I just put it in once, twice, and that's enough. And then I have half a cup of tea and then I put cold water with it in it. So yeah, I know you might think it's barbaric, but that's the way I like my tea. So I don't use stuff like this because it gets too dark. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I just look at this. This is awesome. Oh, I love the fact that I put this with it. I mean, and the size of this thing. My daughter drinks tea like this. And in the UK, they drink tea like this. It's a lot of tea. I just like small cups, but it doesn't matter. And I like it in glass. But otherwise, I'm not very picky at all. But I love the fact that you can put this on here. This looks so amazing. This is my first Alice in Wonderland tea diffuser. And now I want more. Are there more? Do you know? Are there more? I need to look that up. Are there tea diffusers? Of course there have to be. I mean, Alice in Wonderland and tea, because of the tea party, they go together so well, so there must be more. That's a nice collection. But I just absolutely love this thing. Right? It's so funny. And then this beautiful saucer. And then this beautiful teacup. So, like I said, it doesn't want to focus. Let's just put this over here. Maybe it wants to focus better. It's a bit hard to show you because of the glare and you can see my camera in it. But there is this little flaw. I mean, it's so hard to show you. You hardly see it. And there's a little dent in here. Oh well. But except for those 2 little flaws, look how cute this is. It is a black teacup and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at these tiles. I have this in my kitchen. I love this. And so when you see this, it's kind of boring, although it is still an interesting teacup. But then you see the white rabbit. And look how cute that looks. It's so hard to show you. There's the white rabbit on here. I'm late. And then you see Alice being very curious about the white rabbit. What is that? A white rabbit with a clock and a pocket watch, I mean, and a waistcoat. So yes, the beginning of the story. And well, actually through the whole story. But I love the fact that I used black and white tiles, and I just think it is gorgeous. And then inside it's blue, and I absolutely love that. It's way better than when it's white. Although when I drink from something, I really want it to be white inside. I don't like it when there's color inside when you drink it. I know, I'm weird. Like I said, not picky at all. But I really love this. The black and white and blue. It's a really nice combination. And then, of course, red. White roses with, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, look at this. You can't see it. Look at this. It's awesome. This is gonna look so great in my collection. And then with the tea diffuser. Oh, isn't it amazing? I really, really love this one. This was such a surprise. I checked the website last week. Then I saw it suddenly appearing on my screen. The Tweedledum pillow and this teacup. And yeah, so I had saved up for, I have, as you might know, I have an allowance and I put things in little jars, well, imaginary jars, I write it down. So I have a bit for Alice and I have a bit for when I go on holiday and I have a bit for a lot of things. I'm saving up for a huge figurine again, so I'm saving up for that. So I had some money for some Alice items. And that was awesome because I saw those 2 items and I just put them in my cart and I just bought them. And now the little imaginary jar is empty again, but I'm gonna save up again. And I could buy this. And oh my gosh, I just love the fact that we have an allowance. So I have this wonderful teacup that is a bit hard to show you. But I can't show you. I'm gonna put it like this with a beautiful tea diffuser. And this wonderful mug. And then of course, this teeny tiny Tweedledum pillow. And again, like always, I would love to know what you like best. I think this one, actually it's the tea diffuser. This is so amazing. I love it so much. It's so funny. But the pillow is I mean, look at him. And of course, Tweedledee, Tweedledum. And the mug, they're all beautiful. But to be honest, I love this the best. Let me know what you like the best. And thank you for watching again. And yeah, I almost want to tell you, well, I'm just gonna say it. I hope I can film in my collection room this week. So I hope that next time I can show you some shelves in my collection room. I hope. Fingers crossed, because I know I've been telling that for half a year now, or even longer, and I just never show you any. But I'm going to try. At least I'm going to try. So that's it for today. I would love it if you give it a thumbs up and you know, leave some comments down below. And well, all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye. Time for tea. So funny.